was a little snotty-nosed kid with dreams bigger than big, but somewhere along the lines I lost my faith and stopped living legit. My fucking come up, achieve with dumb luck. My own niggas had me stuck up. Couldn't believe I thought my luck's up. I was fucked up, believe I was fucked up. Had no choice but to get up, get out and get my guap up. And when I get it understood. You niggas best be out the hood, cause when I pop off, I pop for good, yo. Live from the N15, was told to get it by any means. That 9 to 5 wasn't for me. Had to hustle, ain't a thing for free. Hundreds by the minutes, we were killing the streets. Now I up my game, hunger for the power that comes with the cane. That cheddar cheese, them bad bees, the whips and chains. You would've thought niggas still were living as slaves. It's just a game and the way that it's fucking played.